Pero ngayon mga kapamilya, kapatid, at kanito it's gonna be a bittersweet moment for everyone. So maalam sa ABS-CBN ang isa sa pinakamalaking talent reality show sa mundo. Nagpapasalamat ang ABS-CBN at ang lahat ng bubo sa The Voice of the Philippines sa lahat ng naging bahagi ng 10 edisyong ito. And we would love to say thank you to our coaches, Apple Diab, Lea Salonga, Sara Geronimo, Sharon Cuneta, Martin Rivera, Casey, and Bamboo.
Isang kalangalan na umabak sa stage na to. At sa lahat ng naging hosts and V-reporters, maraming salamat. Luis Manzano, of course, Tony Gonzaga, Alex Gonzaga, Yen Constantino, Kim Chu, as well as all the hosts of the online shows.
Sa lahat po ng artists at kanilang mga pamilya na voices be heard. Ako po, si Robbie Domingo.
At ito ang programa kung saan mangarap ang tungkulan.
At boses ang labanan. Ito po ang The Voice of the Philippines. Nagpapasalamat ang ABS-CBN at ang lahat ng bubo sa The Voice of the Philippines sa lahat ng naging bahagi ng 10 edisyong ito. And we would love to say thank you to our coaches, Apple Diab, Lea Salonga, Sara Geronimo, Sharon Cuneta, Martin Rivera, Casey, and Bamboo.
Isang kalangalan na umabak sa stage na to. At sa lahat ng naging hosts and V-reporters, maraming salamat. Luis Manzano, of course, Tony Gonzaga, Alex Gonzaga, Yen Constantino, Kim Chu, as well as all the hosts of the online shows.
Sa lahat po ng artists at kanilang mga pamilya na nagbahagi ng kanilang mga kwento at pangarap sa ating programa, maraming salamat po.
And kami ang nakita nyo on camera, pero napakarami po ng mga tao who work off cam. Sa lahat ng bumubuo ng music, media, production, technical, art, all the other departments, kami lubos na nagpapasalamat sa inyo. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for one final bow. Voices be heard. Ako po, si Robbie Domingo. At ito ang programa kung saan mangarap ang tungkulan.
At boses ang labanan. Ito po ang The Voice of the Philippines.
Anong thoughts mo?
Hindi ko po ito in-expect.
Yeah. Well, I expected it. She put the work in, the love in there. At gusto ko sabihin, maraming salamat sa support ko. She's a very deserving champion. My last Camp Hawaiian artist. So, I would not have scripted this better. I have such a talented, beautiful spirit in front of me. You know what I'm saying, right? Right? So, I'm forever thankful to you for this moment. Forever thankful for everyone for all the seasons I've been here. For all my coaches. It's been such a ride. I've grown so much from this. A chapter in my life, beginning of hers. So, it's all about Julia. Congratulations, champ.
Of course, I was about to ask, you were awarded a recognition for, just being the 10th season career.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, it's humbling. I've been here for 10 seasons and I don't count, okay? So medyo humbled ako by that. And I carry all my coaches with me. All my OG coaches as well when we do this, when I think of them. This season, I knew what was going to happen, right? I knew this was coming at some point, right? So every time I sat in that chair, I knew that was going to be the final moment at some point. Final battle, final semi, final everything. There was a finality. So medyo madaming emotions para sa akin. And tapos haluin mo yun with all the work. But she was a trooper. She guided me through it. That's my age. So thank you, Julian.
and of course, Julian, every time na may nananalo kayo dito sa reality, you always ask them, ang gagawin nila sa palas mo sa ikaw. Ang gagawin nila sa palas mo. Pinutulong ko sa Are you gonna be with her? Dito sa
I'm always gonna be with her. Our futures, her future is always gonna be for the time. That goes for every single camp. From Mike Perez, from season 1, from the JKs, all the way down Ellis. I mean, it's been such a ride. And then tonight it's about her. Right? I'll walk away tonight. It's her beginning. So it's all.
Julian, who do you want to collaborate with? Bagay, betting kasi. Alright, any questions for you guys? May questions po? Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you po sa lahat ng bumoto. Alright, I'll put it together.
At bumalik lang yung mga alaala noong nagsimula, tapos yung mga hirap na pinagdaanan na yung journey ng mga teen artists, ng mga young artists, ng mga voice artists, all those three na I was privileged na maging bahagi ako from the adults, the kids, and the teens. And sa iba't ibang mga coaches and hosts, I was a view reporter before, and now parang nag-full circle lang at wala. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam and also inilungkot.
Pero I think more than anything, you feel fulfilled because you were with the show for since 2013.
Since 2013.
Yeah, so bakit ba sobrang halaga sa'yo ng The Voice?
It's one of the biggest franchises in the world, and it made an impact sa lahat ng mga kapamilya. When you talk about The Voice, originally ang naisip mo, the OG coaches. I kid you not. Whenever I go out, sasabihin nila, nasan si Coach Bamboo, nasan si Coach Sarah, Coach Leia, Coach Apple, right now, Coach Martin, Coach Casey, even si Coach Sharon, of course. So, alam mo talaga na pinapanood siya.
Pero ikaw na rin yung hinahanap eh.
Ha?
Hinahanap ka na din ngayon eh.
No. Naghahanap kami ng mga talent na pwedeng ilagay. And The Voice has produced so many OPM artists. Like, we got Darren, we got Moira, we got JK, we got Clarice Morissette, Kylie Chan, ang dami. And all of those artists, naalala ko pa yung unang pagkakataon na inabot ko sa kanila yung red envelope. At ang sarap na pakiramdam na maging bahagi ng journey. So, hopefully we get to say The Voice again. But for now, we say maraming salamat sa The Voice, and we really hope na we get to let our voices be heard once again.
Since The Voice is ending already, I know for sure may nakalimutan na kasing trabaho para sa iyo. May susunod ka na. So, bigyan mo naman kami ng update. Ano yung next na project mo?
From The Voice, I think maririnig ng lahat ang pinakasikat na boses. Dahil magbubukas ang pinakasikat na bahay sa bansa, ang Pinoy Big Brother, and I hope you guys tune in for that. Currently, nagkakaroon na ng auditions all over the country. And yeah, magandang collaboration to with all the Gen people.
Can you give us a little more details about what's gonna happen this season sa Pinoy Big Brother?
So for Pinoy Big Brother, it's called Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11 as of now. We're gonna be having a different kind of flavor kasi ang daming mga pasabog ni Kuya. And I think for this season, kakaibang generation yung makikita.
Ayun na yun. Hindi ko na magbibigay pa ng iba pang...
Just like what Kuya would say, malalaman niyan sa takdang panahon.
Alright, Robby. Pwede ka na si Big Brother din pala, no?
Maraming salamat din.
Thank you so much.
Thank
One
you.
photo lang.
Okay.
Iba na yung iyak ko ngayon kapag lalo na last season was kids, ngayon teens. Joke ko nga parang ninang na din ako ng mga teens at ng mga kids kasi kasama ko umiyak yung mga parents. So I'm just, as like everyone is, we're so excited kasi it doesn't mean naman na pag winner, siya lang yung pwede maging big star in the future because we've had, Robby said it kanina, we've had so many artists who even just joined and then now are some of the biggest singers in the country. So I think maasahan natin na some of the teams from this season will really go.
I know magbubukas yung bahay ni Kuya and definitely you're part of the list. What are your preparations for pagbubukas ng bahay ni Kuya?
Actually, ang pinakamalaking preparation na hindi ko nagaganap dahil nga we're supposed to all meet, lahat ng hosts we're supposed to meet with Direk Lauren, but hasn't happened yet kasi nga busy pa ang lolo natin. In terms of preparation, you know what, I don't know kasi I also don't know what to expect sa season na ito. I just know that because nga now the format of the show is I'm joined by 4 amazing, funny, incredible personalities. Robby, si Kim, si Enchong, Melay, of course. Ako, every season, nilook forward ko kung paano nila babasagin yung hosting ko. Kasi all my life, serious ako mag-host eh. Pero sila yung dami ko natutunan sa kanila. And I think Gen 11 is going to be so fun.
What do you think about, you know, pag sinabi kasi Pinoy Big Brother House, ikaw na talaga nakalagay. I mean, Bianca Gonzalez na talaga yung nakikita nila. So, may pressure ba sa'yo? Or
Do I feel any pressure?
what do you feel about it?
You know what? I don't think that is. So I guess I don't feel the pressure kasi para sa akin hindi yun. Because of course, I started the show with Tony and Mariel. And to this day, every time I step on an eviction stage or a big night stage, parang dala ko sila sa katawan ko. Hindi ko na ma-shake off yun. I was just telling Robby kanina that